I dare say that most listeners, most Americans would kind of assume that somewhere buried in those 4,500 odd words of our Constitution, somewhere in there, there must be protection of the right to one's fruits of one labors, and the right to earn an honest living. But why why wasn't your claim asserted under the U.S. Constitution, but rather under the North Carolina Constitution?
Your listeners would be right to believe that the federal Constitution should protect the right to earn a living. And at Pacific Legal Foundation, we're working to reinvigorate those federal constitutional protections for the right to earn a living. But the reason that we have to reinvigorate them is because, unfortunately, the Supreme Court over time has watered down the constitutional protections for your economic liberty and the right to earn a living. And it's been a slow decline really since the New Deal that they've watered down that right. But fortunately, the federal Constitution is not the floor. It's the floor. The floor can be, or we can raise the floor higher than that. State constitutions can provide protections beyond what federal constitutions provide. And as I mentioned earlier, North Carolina Constitution says the rights to earn the fruit of their labor explicitly in their constitution. But many other state Supreme Courts have interpreted due process clause, law of the land type clauses in their own constitutions to protect a right to earn an honest living. So it's very much an ongoing battle in the courts. And, Ben Franklin said, it's a republic if you can keep it, and Pacific Legal is out here doing the legal work to ensure that we can keep that protection of our economic liberty, and we're doing that work in state and federal courts.